Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial: how to sync your Outlook and Google Calendars in 2025. If you're juggling meetings between Microsoft and Google ecosystems, this is a game changer for staying organized and productive. By the end of this video, you'll have your calendars synced seamlessly, so let's jump right in. First off, why bother syncing? In 2025, with remote work on the rise, having all your events in one place saves time and reduces errors. You'll need a Microsoft Outlook account and a Google account to get started. Make sure you have the latest versions of the Outlook app and Google Calendar installed on your device. Step 1. Open your Outlook app and go to the Settings menu. Look for the Calendar section and select Add Account. Choose Google from the options, then sign in with your Google credentials. Outlook will prompt you to grant permissions. Be sure to allow access to your calendars. Next, head over to Google Calendar on your web browser or app. Click on the gear icon for settings, then navigate to Add Calendar under the Other Calendars tab. Select Import or Subscribe and enter your Outlook calendar details. If you're using the new 2025 integration features, you might see a direct sync option. Go for that. Once connected, customize your sync settings. Decide if you want two-way syncing, so changes in one calendar update the other, or just one way. Test it out by adding an event in Outlook and checking if it appears in Google Calendar, and vice versa. If you run into issues, like sync delays, check your internet connection or review the permissions in both apps. Google and Microsoft have improved their integration this year, so it should be smooth sailing. There you have it. Your calendars are now in harmony. This setup will boost your efficiency and keep you on top of your schedule. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.